Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Discipline Shapes the Future of a Student. Discipline is the most important asset of all successful people. Someone said that find what you love to do and go for it. But you will never be successful until you have a plan and the discipline and the determination to go through with that plan. And with these knowledgeable lines, I Meenakshi from class 9th welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Heartiest morning to respected principals, sir, teachers, and my fellow students. The theme of today's morning assembly is Discipline Shapes the Future of a Student. Dear friends, everyone must maintain discipline in his life, as without it, no one can shape his future. And let's start today's morning assembly. Oh God, you have given us power, love, and self control. We want to use all of these wonderful gifts you have given to us to grow into the best version of ourselves. We want to practice good self discipline. And now we'll pray to God for discipline. Everybody, join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, being the citizen of India, we have some duties and responsibilities towards our nation. Pledge inculcates feelings of patriotism and other ethical precepts. Let's take an oath with Samishta from class 8th. And after pledge, discipline is important in all stages of life. And if we implement it properly, it may become the formula for success. And it is important that students should learn discipline as early as possible in their lives. It is the basic foundation of the beginning of every new goal that a person wants to achieve. Let us encourage ourselves with today's thought, and for thought of the day, I would like to invite on the stage Shivendra from class 9th. Good morning to all. My name is Shivendra. Thought of the day is the satisfaction of seeing the incremental gains through discipline alone gives inspiration to apply the same methods in other areas of our life. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Shivendra. If we don't read the newspaper, we are uninformed. And sometimes news teaches us incredible lessons. Without delay, let's get know today's news headlines with Suhail from class 9th. And thank you very much, Suhail. Words play an enormous part in our lives and are therefore deserving of the closest study. We can't build up a vocabulary if we never meet any new words. Let's add a new word in our vocabulary. For word of the day, I invite Shubman from class 8 on the dais. Good morning to all. My name is Shubman. Word of the day is commotion, which mean violent agitation and noisy disturbance. Synonyms of commotion are excitement, confusion. Antonyms are peace and happiness. And I'm using commotion in a sentence. The children are making a lot of commotion. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. Leading a disciplined life is the key to success and will help us stay motivated and lead a better life. It plays a key role in one's life, whether he is a student, an army officer, or a businessman. But why it is important for every child to be in discipline? Let's get know about how does discipline shapes the future of a student. I would like to invite on stage Raman from class 9. Thank you very much, Raman, for such a knowledgeable speech. Poetry is not only dream and vision, it is the skeleton architecture of our lives. It lays the foundations for a future of change, a bridge across our fears of what has never been before. Recitation is a perfect introduction to public speaking skills. School assembly is the best platform to refine our skills, and with this, let us move ahead. I invite on dais Shruti from class 8 for poem recitation. Thank you very much, Shruti. Now we are at the end of today's morning assembly, and everybody get ready for national anthem. And after national anthem, dear friends, God has equipped us to handle difficult things. In fact, God has already planted the seeds of discipline and self-control us. We just have to water those seeds and let them grow properly in right direction. And with these motivational words, have a gorgeous day to all. Thank you.